How to fix the first Descendant game not launching in PS4 and PS5. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you some of the features or some of the instructions that you can follow in order to fix the not launching issue in the first Descendant game in your PS4 or PS5. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you can do is you can simply check for the system updates. So you need to ensure that your PS4 system is up to date. In order to check for updates, you need to go to the settings and then system software update and then install any available updates. Afterwards, you just have to restart your PS4 or your PS5. So sometimes a simple restart can resolve the launching issues. Turn off your PS4 or PS5 completely and then turn it back on. Then you can rebuild the database. So this can help fix any corrupted data issues. Turn off your PS4 and then press and hold the power button until you hear two beeps to enter safe mode. Then you need to connect your controller via USB and select the rebuild database option. You can even try deleting the first Descendant game from your PS4 and then reinstall it. You need to make sure to back up any saved data before doing so. You need to ensure the game is updated to the latest version. So highlight the game on the home screen and press the options button and select check for update. To clear the cache, you just have to turn off your PS4 and unplug it for a few minutes. This can help resolve temporary data issue. You can even try disable reset mode option. So sometimes the PS4's reset mode can cause issues with launching of the game. So you need to go to the settings, then select the option of power saving settings, then set features available in the rest mode and you need to disable it. You can even ensure your PS4 is connected to the internet properly. In order to check the stable internet connection, you need to go to the settings, then go to network and then test internet connection option. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you might need to contact the PlayStation support for further assistance. So these are some of the methods that you can try. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.